What's up everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today we are in my FL5 Honda Civic Type-R on a fun mountain road. We're going to experience this, listen to that glorious AW exhaust, and see what this car's like from the POV on a fun twisty road. this thing is an absolute blast. The steering is super responsive. I even have it in my individual mode, which has everything in the race mode. However, I have steering and comfort as well as suspension, and it makes it really livable on a bumpy road like this, a little bit more doable. If you go into the R mode, the suspension and steering gets much more tight and heavy. So it's nice to be able to mix and match this car depending on the driving conditions and the road surfaces you have. But man, this thing handles like it's on rails. The Brembo brakes do such a good job, and these seats, you are so stuck in the seats. It is an absolute joy. You have to fight torque steer just a tad, but once you kind of accept that you're in a front wheel drive car, you know, you kind of expect that to be what you gotta do. So it's definitely a little aggressive and bumpy right now. Oh my gosh. Track tuned suspension. So we're going back to individual mode, and wow, that just makes it so much more relaxed and confident still. This is one of the most fun cars, and at an average price point, this car is 45 grand. In today's market, that is right in the middle, and yet the fun factor is significantly above average. It is a blast. And we're not even using all of the horsepower, so it's plenty fast. Has enough power for roads like this to carry its speed and everything. This car craves the turns, the steering and braking, and the fact that you are so perfectly sitting into these seats just makes this that much more fun to drive on a twisty back road. I have like no complaints with this car. It is an absolute fun toy. This car craves being in the mountains, a track day, an autocross, and yet it is livable to be such a normal daily driver. The manual's forgiving around town and super responsive when you need to know what gear you're going into. So notchy, perfect throw. With the springs, the spacers, intake and exhaust, it sounds awesome and just handles that much better than stock, which stock was already so good. But there is the FL5 Honda Civic Type-R. Couple more turns. Man, if you want a fun, practical car, this might have to be the absolute best bang for the buck practical sports car. I have been so impressed with my few months of ownership with the new Type-R.